Welcome back. Given a long rope by the TMC government, news is finally tightening on ex-principal of RG Kar Medical College under scanner for his role in attempts to cover up rape and murder of 31-year-old trainee doctor.
Now, Sandeep Ghosh is also facing the CBI scrutiny for financial irregularities during his tenure. The Central Bureau of Investigation claims that it has uncovered substantial evidence in their corruption probe against him.
This after CBI sleuths conducted searches on the premise linked to Ghosh, ex-medical superintendent Sanjay Vashisht and 13 others in and around Kolkata.
Now, the CBI team had reached the residence of Sandeep Ghosh around 6:45 a.m. on Sunday, but they were made to wait for about an hour and a half before he opened the doors finally.
When asked if they have found any concrete evidence, a CBI official said, "बहुत कुछ है."
concrete evidence है?
बहुत कुछ है बस।
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 CBI has also been conducting polygraph tests on both Ghosh and Sanjay Roy, but the TMC has put the agency in the dock.
TMC leader Kunal Ghosh questioned CBI's line of questioning and the fact that so far only one person has been arrested.
इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, उसके ऊपर कमेंट नहीं करना है। ये तो शायद ये कौन केस में, शायद वो करप्शन वाला केस में, लेकिन पहले क्वेश्चन यही है जो वो आरजी कौर का जो रेप केस है, मर्डर केस है, वो तो तुरंत सॉल्व होना चाहिए। एक अरेस्ट वो भी कलकत्ता पुलिस ने किया है, सीबीआई क्या कर रहा है?
Now, ISF, the organization that contested the last assembly elections in Bengal in alliance with the left and the Congress, has demanded the resignation of the state health minister.
The post incidentally is held by Mamata Banerjee herself. State BJP President Sukanta Majumdar has gone a step further. He has predicted doomsday for Mamata Sarkar sooner than later.
हम लोग चाहते हैं जल्दी जितना जल्द हो सके जो असली जो कल्पिट है उसको पकड़ के कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दे। देखिए जैसे हेल्थ सिस्टम में करप्शन हो गया, हेल्थ को लेके जैसे हम गाँव का, खास करके गाँव का आदमी को फैसिलिटी नहीं मिल रहा है और पूरा हेल्थ सिस्टम अभी क्लोज्ड हो गया। हम लोगों का भी डिमांड है जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर है वो रेजिग्नेशन दे दीजिए और साथ में जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर देखता है पुलिस मिनिस्टर जो है बंगाल का है। अब बोलिए ना हालत क्या है? आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हो, आपके नाम में नोटिस भेज दे रहे हैं, अब प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हो 163 दिखा के प्रोटेस्ट को बंद करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए। टोटली जो स्टेट में होम मिनिस्ट्री एंड हेल्थ मिनिस्टर फेलियर है, क्या जल्दी वो रेजिग्नेशन दे दे, अच्छा है।
कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी है इसलिए कल हम कोई आंदोलन नहीं रख रहे हैं और उसके बाद 27 तारीख को स्टूडेंट लोगों का आगे आने वाले समय में 29 तारीख को हमारी महिला मोर्चा और महिला मोर्चा के नेतृत्व में सारे महिलाएं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की वो महिला कमीशन, पश्चिम बंगाल की जो महिला कमीशन है, जो दीदी का कमीशन बन के रह गया है, जो कुछ नहीं करती, उसमें ताला लगाएगी और ताला लगा के महिला कमीशन को बंद कर देगी। इस महिला कमीशन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। मुख्यमंत्री की रेजिग्नेशन की डिमांड को लेकर चीफ मिनिस्टर शुड रिजाइन फ्रॉम हर पोस्ट, इसको लेके 29 तारीख को हम पूरे राज्य में हर जिले में अपना आंदोलन करेंगे।
Let's go across to our colleague Shreya joining us on the broadcast. Shreya, you were outside the ex-principal's residence yesterday when the CBI team reached the spot. Raids were taking place at 15 locations. Are raids expected today as well?
Well, of course, we saw that a day after a second FIR has been registered by the CBI. Remember, Calcutta High Court has transferred the probe from that of the SIT that was formed by West Bengal government to that of the CBI. At least 15 locations were raided by the CBI yesterday. Around 7:30, the CBI officials have entered the ACB branch of the CBI. They have entered into the residence of Sandeep Ghosh. They were there for a long time. We in fact saw them carrying a printing machine inside, which denotes that there can be things like seizing a lot of papers, because remember, they are probing him on basis of the financial irregularities that has been alleged in RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. So of course, not only that, we also see that CBI officials, they reached the contractors with whom Sandeep Ghosh was working closely previously. They also go to the administrative building of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. And when the CBI officials were coming out and it was asked if they have found something, they said that we have found a lot of things. So of course we will have to see, because remember this is the second part of the investigation other than the reprimand of the trainee doctor.
All right. right, Shreya, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on it. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. Lot more lined up on the other side as well.